Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today at YOUCANIC we have a 2013 Ford Fusion. I'm going to discuss how you would get into to replace the battery on your key fob. So your key fob's not working anymore, you're not able to unlock the car or do anything like that. The way you get in to replace the battery, you see here where this key slide is, you're going to, right in here, there's a little indent there. So right in here is a little indent where you can take a screwdriver and just gently pry and pop the back cover off. And now we've got the cover off, and you can again pop the battery out. And then you would take your new battery and reinsert it in the reverse way. So just push that tab under there, press it down and put it in. And then put your cover plate back on. And squeeze it all back together. And then try it all out. Okay. And we know that everything works. So we were able to go ahead and get that all fixed. That's how you replace your battery and your key fob for a Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.